So, very good afternoon to one and all. So, welcome you all in the another session of filling the blanks. So, let us discuss about the filling the blanks. He said, I dash use his car whenever I wanted. He said, I dash use his car whenever I wanted. Could, can, will, would. तो यहाँ पे देखो मॉड्यूलर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब क्या है, क्या यूज होगा, मॉड्यूलरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कौन सा यूज होगा। अब ये जो सेंटेंस है ये किस तरह से यूज हो रहा है, एक्सप्रेसिंग एन एबिलिटी इन द पास्ट, कि जब भी मुझे उसकी कार चाहिए यूज करनी होती है, when he said I dash use his car, जब भी मुझे कार यूज करनी है, जब भी मुझे कार चाहिए मैं कार यूज कर रहा हूं। सो ही सेड आई कुड यूज हिज कार, मॉड्यूलर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कौन सा आएगा, कुड आएगा। ही सेड आई कुड यूज हिज कार व्हेनेवर आई वांटेड। नेक्स्ट, he will not work dash he is compelled. He will not work dash he is compelled till if after help unless। अब यहाँ पे आप देखिए यहाँ पे कौन सा कंजक्टिव यूज होगा, till if after unless। he will not work here, he will not work unless he is compelled, unless he is compelled। Next, the teacher said disappointedly, there is dash in my class who can solve this problem. The teacher said disappointedly, there is dash in my class who can solve this problem. Anybody, somebody, everybody, nobody। तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए आपका, anybody, somebody, everybody, nobody। तो कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज होगा, that is nobody। The teacher said disappointedly, there is nobody in my class who can solve this problem। While he was working at the construction site, the block of wood suddenly dashed his right shoulder। While he was working at the construction site, block of wood suddenly dashed his right shoulder। Was hit, had hit, hit। तब यहाँ पे देखो hit है वो verb है, तो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस का क्या है, पास्ट फॉर्म है सेंटेंस की। While he was working at the construction site, तो पास आ गया। अब यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए, कौन सी आना चाहिए, ये क्या, hit। That is fourth option। While he was working at the construction site, block of wood suddenly hit his right of shoulder। Next, the dash in the region has been pleasant recently। Climate, weather, season। अब यहाँ पे कौन सा क्या आना चाहिए आपका, it is very easy again। That is weather। कौन सा वाला, सेकेंड और थर्ड ऑप्शन, सेकेंड ऑप्शन weather, WATHER। The weather in the region has been pleasant recently। What do you mean by climate? Climate means regular pattern of weather conditions, regular pattern of weather conditions of the particular place। And weather means WATHER, weather means conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place। conditions क्या है, एक atmosphere की particular place पे, particular place और time पे, जैसे कि temperature क्या है वहां पे, बारिश हो रही है, धूप निकल रही है, क्या हो रहा है, इज इट। और लेकिन यहाँ पे क्लाइमेट का, प्लीज ये दोनों डिफरेंसेस आप ध्यान से सुनिए। क्लाइमेट का क्या आएगा, क्लाइमेट मींस रेगुलर पैटर्न, कि रेगुलरली वहां पे किस तरह का वेदर कंडीशंस रहते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे। सो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, वेदर इन द रीजन हैज बीन प्लेजेंट रिसेंटली। नेक्स्ट, dash following all the instructions closely, dash following all the instructions closely, he missed out an important guideline. He missed out an important guideline instead of although in spite of otherwise. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या आना चाहिए अब देखो यहाँ पे कहा ये idiom आ गया फिर से in spite of is the idiom which means despite or you can say without being prevented by not stopped by without being prevented by not stopped by तो यहाँ पे क्या है क्या आंसर आएगा in spite of following all the instructions closely he missed out an important guideline. Next, he was junior dash me in college and we have been friends since then. With then from to. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कौन सी preposition use होगी to. He was junior to me in college and we have been friends since then. Next, I visit Shimla frequently. However, I have never dashed Kufri. I visit Shimla frequently. However, I have never dashed Kufri. Went to, visited to, been to, been to, been to. अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Been to. That is fourth option. I visit Shimla frequently. However, I have never been to Kufri. Next, she is dash girls I know. From the best, the most best, the best, one of the best. So what can be the option? क्या बोलते हो जब आप किसी को कह रहे हो बेस्ट है? She is one of the best girls I know. Best girls I know. That is fourth option. Next, I have never seen dash animal before. I have never seen dash animal before. Any larger, as large, such a large, so large. तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? Such a large. I have never seen such a large animal before. Next, he said to me, "You are dash fooling a fool, a foolish fool." He said to me, "You are dash fooling a fool, a foolish fool." तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आपका आना चाहिए? That is a fool. He said to me, "You are a fool." Second option. I dash your house yesterday. I dash your house yesterday. Passed by, passing by, passing by, sorry, pasting by, passed by. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या है? देखो कौन क्या यूज होगा, कौन सा फ्रेज यूज होगा यहाँ पे? अब यहाँ पे भी पास्ट की बात हो रही है. येस्टरडे मींस दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पास्ट. तो यहाँ पे अगर पास्ट की बात हो रही है क्या आएगा? पास्ट बाय. आई पास्ड बाय योर हाउस येस्टरडे. दैट इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन. इन द ट्रैजिक इंसिडेंट none of the dash 145 passengers dash. ठीक है, ट्रैजिक इंसिडेंट हुआ था. अगेन दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पास्ट. None of the 145 passengers dash could survive. Survived is surviving. Dash, that is third option, survived. In the tragic incident, none of the 145 passengers survived. Next, they live dash the fifth floor. They live dash the fifth floor in to on at. तो यहाँ पे कौन सी preposition होगी यूज होगी? Anybody? They live dash the fifth floor.
Ma'am, fourth option.
Yes, it is fourth option, Sakshi. No, sorry, not fourth. At कैसे use होगा? Anybody? How at will be used?
Ma'am, third option. They live
Yes,
on the
Sakshi, it
fifth
is
floor.
third option on. They live on the fifth floor. America was dashed by Columbus. America was dashed by Columbus डिस्कवर्ड, फाउंड, इन्वेंटेड, रीच्ड। तो यहाँ पे क्या है, अमेरिका वॉज डैश बाय कोलंबस, क्या फाउंड आएगा, डिस्कवर्ड, इन्वेंटेड, रीच्ड, इट विल बी डिस्कवर्ड। अमेरिका वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय द कोलंबस। विल यू प्लीज डैश मी अ बुक, will you please dash me a book, borrow, lend, have to borrow, have to lend। तो यहाँ क्या आएगा, it means आप वो बुक मांग रहे हैं, second option that is lend। will you please lend me a book, that means to give something or allow someone to use something that belongs to you, और उसको आप वापिस कर दोगे बाद में। my cousin will arrive dash Sunday, my cousin will arrive dash Sunday से कौन सी preposition आएगी, in, at, the, on। तो अब यहाँ पे कौन सी preposition आएगी, on। my cousin will arrive on Sunday। the boys went inside dash room, the boys went inside dash room of the,
second,
हाँ जी,
ma'am second option,
yes, definite article, second option, the boys went inside the room। next, I asked him for some paper but he dash, I asked him for some paper but he dash, had not, has not, had done, has done। अब यहाँ पे देखो क्या कौन सा pronoun यूज होगा, क्या यूज होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, I asked him for some paper but he dash, had not, has not, had done, has done। अब यहाँ पे simple past tense है, तो क्या यूज होना चाहिए, had none। that is third option, I asked him for some papers but he had none। I went dash me the truth, I want dash me the truth, to tell you at once, tell that you tell you to tell। अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, क्या आना चाहिए, फोर्थ ऑप्शन, I want you to tell me the truth। मीन्स ये अगर हम सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर देख रहे हैं, what kind of structure of the sentence is, I want you to tell me the truth। यहाँ पे आपका क्या आएगा कि वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट, वर्ब है, ऑब्जेक्ट है साथ में, तो इस वजह से क्या आना चाहिए, यू टू टेल, आई वॉन्ट यू टू टेल मी दी ट्रूथ। नेक्स्ट, does he resemble dash, does he resemble dash to his father, as his father, his father, of his father। तो यहाँ पे क्या, कौन सा राइट आंसर है, थर्ड ऑप्शन, does he resemble his father। they attacked dash, they attacked the enemy, against the enemy, on the enemy, to the enemy। तो हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करते हैं, against the enemy। is it clear, sorry, they attacked the enemy, that is first option, they attacked the enemy। next, my younger brother is good dash mathematics, add, into, on, with। कौन सी preposition है, my younger brother is good dash mathematics, that is add, my younger brother is good at mathematics। next, he dash is living by hard and work, he dash his living by hard work, earns, wins, creates, ables। तो आप कैसे क्या करते हो, किस तरह से अपनी लिविंग को, उसको क्या यूज करोगे, अर्न, कौन सी वर्ब यूज होगी, अर्न, ही अर्न्स हिज लिविंग बाय हार्ड वर्किंग। नेक्स्ट, bread is usually made dash wheat, bread is usually made dash wheat, of, from, with, by। तो अब यहाँ पे देखो क्या यूज होगा, did the bread is usually made dash wheat, कौन सी preposition होगी यहाँ पे यूज, that is from, bread is usually made from wheat। next, did the child dash from the chair, fell, fallen, falling, fall. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, देखो ऑक्सिलरी सब्जेक्ट है, साथ में ऑक्सिलरी सब्जेक्ट है, वर्ब है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए, fall. Did the child fall from the chair? Is it clear? तो बाकी सेंटेंस तो आपका क्या आ गया, सिंपल प्रेजेंट है, तो यहाँ पे fall यूज होगा. Next, do you dash to see my collection? Do you see do you dash to see my collection? Cared, like, want, got. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या आप पूछ रहे हो किसी को, क्या आपने मेरी कलेक्शन देखनी है, तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या है, क्वेश्चन सॉरी ऑप्शन क्या आएगी, want. Did you want to see my collections? तो ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है यहाँ पे. Next, after initial setback, all dash programs were successful due to the initiative of the new dynamic team. After the initial setback, all dash programs were successful due to the initiative of new dynamic team. Consequent, subsequently, consequently, subsequent. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, क्या आना चाहिए कि किसकी इनिशिएटिव की वजह से हुआ था, तो यहाँ पे subsequent आना चाहिए. That is fourth option. It's subsequent का मतलब क्या होता है, happening or coming after something else. Is it clear? That is a result of something. So here answer is your fourth option, subsequent. Next, many women in developing countries experience a cycle of poor health that dash before they are born. Originates, derives, begins, establishes. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है आपका, what can be the answer here? Anybody? Many women in developing countries experience a cycle of poor health that dash before they are born. Originates, derives, begins, establish.
Third option.
Third option, that begins before they are born. Next, many women in developing countries, ये रिपीट हो रहा है सपोज, हाँ जी ये रिपीट हो रहा है आपका. नेक्स्ट, it is difficult dash affection on her. It is difficult dash affection on her. Showering, to shower, shower, of showering. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आना चाहिए, to shower. It is difficult to shower affection on her. Next, our ancestors had immense difficulty dash procuring books. Our ancestors had immense difficulty dash procuring books. For, of, in, on. कौन सी preposition use होगी यहाँ पे?
Ma'am, third option, in.
Yes, in. Our ancestors had immense difficulty in procuring books. Next, I asked him if I dash borrow his car for a day. I asked him if I dash borrow his car for a day. Will, could, can, should. So यहाँ पे अब देखो क्या यूज होगा. अब यहाँ पे पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट आप कर रहे हो, तो जब भी आप पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो आप क्या यूज करोगे, could. I asked him if I could borrow his car for a day. Work hard so that you dash. Work hard so that you dash. Shall get good marks, will get good marks, may get good marks, should get good marks. तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए, third option, may get good marks. Work hard so that you may get good marks. They have lost dash of their contacts. Little, much, many, small. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये काउंटेबल नाउन है. काउंटेबल नाउन में तो क्या यूज होगा, many. They have lost many of their contacts. Next, I praise dash honesty of this boy. I praise dash honesty of this boy. And the your. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा डेफिनेट आर्टिकल आपका आना चाहिए, इट इज दी. I praise the honesty of this boy. 3-4 makes 7. 3-4 makes 7. तो यहाँ पे कॉन्जेक्टिव कौन सा यूज होगा? विथ, इनटू, इन, एंड. That is and. 3 and 4 makes 7. That means in addition 3 में अगर हम 4 ऐड कर देंगे तो it makes 7. 3 and 4 makes 7. Next, the officer dashed the car to speak to the driver. अब ये ऑप्शंस देखिए, stop, has stopped, stopped, had stopped. तो यहाँ पे क्या है आना चाहिए? Stop. The officer stopped the car to speak to the driver. The officer stopped the car to speak to the driver. I have to recite Tagore's sonnet. I have to recite Tagore's sonnet. I will be the dash want to do so in my school. Earliest initial solitary only. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि कौन सा एडजेक्टिव आएगा? Only. I have to recite Tagore's sonnet. I will be the only one to do in my school. Next. There were dash participants at the conference. Then we had experience, so we had trouble seating them. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? There were dash participants at the conference. Then we had expected, so we had trouble seating them. Much more, many more, so many, too many. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 389. That is क्या यूज होगा? अब यहाँ पे देखो, ग्रेटर अमाउंट है, बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट है. देयर वर डैश पार्टिसिपेंट्स एट द कॉन्फ्रेंस, देन वी हैड एक्सपेक्टेड. तो बहुत ज्यादा नंबर में वहां पे पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, तो इस वजह से ट्रबल आ रही है. तो वहां पे क्या यूज होगा? मच मोर, मेनी मोर, सो मेनी, टू मेनी. दैट इज मेनी मोर. सेकंड ऑप्शन. There were many more participants at the conference than we had expected, so we have trouble seating them. Next. Men dash are thinkers to look for facts. See the options: who, that, which, those. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे कौन सा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज होगा आपका? यहाँ पे यूज होगा who. Men who are thinkers look for facts. Next. Asha and Rima could not get admission in the college. Asha and Rima could not get admission in the college. Dash, they had already managed to get the passing score in the official exam. तो क्या आएगा? Even though, now that, therefore, whether. तो ये idiom है, even though. It is an idiom, even though. Asha and Rima could not get admission in the college. They had already managed. तो वहां पे क्या आएगा? In the college, even though they had already managed to get the passing score in the official exam. So यहाँ even though का मतलब क्या है? Idiom है. What does it mean? Despite the fact or belief. Despite the fact or belief. Next. The principal congratulated him dash passing the final exam. The principal congratulated him dash passing the final exam. In, of, on, with. तो यहाँ पे preposition क्या यूज होगी? On. Principal congratulated him on passing the final exam. Is it clear? Thank you very much dash your suggestions. Thank you very much dash your suggestion. On, with, about, for. Again, which preposition? For. Thank you very much for your suggestions. Let us quickly dash. Muddle, huddle, hurdle, puddle. Now, what do you mean by muddle? पहले muddle की बात करते हैं. M-U-D-D-L-E. What do you mean by this verb? It means to put the things in the wrong order. गलत ऑर्डर में आपने things रख दी है या उनको मिक्स कर दिया, उसका muddle कहते हैं. What do you mean by hurdle? H-U-D-D-L-E. Hurdle means to gather closely together. To gather closely together. Is it clear? Usually because of cold. या फियर की वजह, डर के मारे या ठंड की वजह से आप एक दूसरे के बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज जा रहे हो, that is heard. Now, what do you mean by hurdle? Hurdle means कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई है आपकी. Hurdle means when you are facing some with the problems, वो hurdles होती हैं. Then comes the poodle. Poodle means स्मॉल, जिसको आप कह सकते हो स्मॉल पूल है, उसमें लिक्विड है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो रेन वाटर आ गया है, बारिश का पानी आ गया ग्राउंड में, तो उसको हम स्मॉल पूल कह रहे हैं लिक्विड का, दैट इज अ पुडल. इज इट क्लियर? अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? लेट अस क्विकली हर्डल, दैट इज एक साथ हम एक क्लोजली आ जाए डर की वजह से या ठंड की वजह से. इज इट क्लियर? सो सेकंड इज द आंसर, लेट अस क्विकली हर्डल. Next, Rajesh car wasn't dash Ramesh, so we were too exhausted by the time we reached home. Rajesh's car wasn't dash Ramesh, so we were too exhausted by the time we reached home. अब यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, देखो यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन हो रहा है कि किस कार का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. ऑप्शन देखो, सच कंफर्टेबल, एज कंफर्टेबल इनफ, सो इनकंफर्टेबल दैट. तो अब यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, तो इट इज क्लियर कि सेकंड ऑप्शन आंसर आना चाहिए, एज कंफर्टेबल एज. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, I don't suppose that Pramod will be elected dash how hard he struggles as he is not completely supported by the committee. I don't suppose that Pramod will be elected dash how hard he struggles as he is not completely supported by the committee. Although seeing as, no matter, however. तो यहाँ पे क्या यूज होगा? Again there is an idiom, no matter how. I don't suppose that Pramod will be elected no matter how hard he struggles as he is not completely supported by the committee. So यहाँ पे no matter how means used for saying that something is always true. No matter how means it is used for saying that something is always true. जो भी situation है, whatever the situation is, or that somebody should certainly do something. Next. Regular exercise is conducive dash health in to for of. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? कौन सा एडजेक्टिव? यहाँ पे जो एडजेक्टिव है वो conducive है, तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है? कौन सी preposition यूज होगी? Conducive means making it easy, possible, likely for something to happen, or you can say helpful है, favorable है. Is it clear? तो इसके साथ conducive के साथ preposition कौन सी यूज होगी? To. Regular exercise is conducive to health. Can you please dash my website just before I publish it? Can you please dash my website just before I publish it? Find out, go through, set out, look up. तो publication से पहले आप क्या करोगे? Go through. Is it clear? Look, देखोगे उसको, examine करोगे carefully. उसको स्टडी करोगे या डिटेल में उसको कुछ कंसीडर करोगे, तो कैन यू प्लीज गो थ्रू माय वेबसाइट बिफोर, जस्ट बिफोर आई पब्लिश इट. नेक्स्ट क्या है? टीचर लेट अस डैश, द टीचर लेट अस डैश टू गो अर्ली, टू लीव अर्ली, गो अर्ली, अर्ली टू गो. तो यहाँ पे क्या, कौन सी वर्ब आएगी? लेट वर्ब है, तो यहाँ पे क्या यूज होगा? परमिशन आप ले रहे हो, यू आर टेकिंग दी परमिशन. Just a minute. You are taking the permission. अच्छा, यहाँ पे permission ले रहे हो आप, तो उसके बाद अब जो verb let है वो that will be followed by an object. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आना चाहिए आपका? थर्ड ऑप्शन, go early. The teacher let us go early. Jane is annoyed dash. Jane is annoyed dash on me, with me, against me, over me. कौन सी preposition है? With यूज होगा यहाँ पे, annoy के साथ with यूज होगा, तो Jane is annoyed with me, that is second option. So let us start the class again.